go. You want me first? You first. Oh dear. POV backseat.
Prepare for Team Blue's light cycle run up Blue sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward.
Oh yes. I haven't done this one in the daytime recently that I can remember. In 3.
In 3. Congratulations, Caesars. A championship performance.
Championship performance. Oh man. Camera's still here. So we just stepped off of a Tron light cycle run. Had my chest strap. I was able to take the GoPro, get a POV. I hope it came out as good as I hope. It was what a ride, right there. I mean that's still the best attraction here. Probably, yeah, that's the best ride on property. I know I'll probably catch some flack for that with the Guardians of the Galaxy over there in Epcot, but this, I just wish it was. I mean, listen to that. I just wish it was just a little bit longer. It's like over in 70 seconds. Is 70 seconds too fast? God, I love that ride.